Smartphones are getting more powerful every year. With each new model, we see advancements in processing speed, graphics capabilities, and overall performance. These improvements allow us to do more with our devices than ever before. We use them for gaming, video editing, and even augmented reality. These activities are demanding and require a lot of processing power, which in turn generates heat. All this processing power generates heat. When a smartphone gets too hot, it can become uncomfortable to hold and may even cause the device to slow down. Heat can slow down your phone and even damage components. Overheating can lead to reduced battery life, degraded performance, and in some cases, permanent damage to the internal parts. That's why cooling technology is so important. Advanced cooling systems help dissipate heat efficiently, ensuring that your smartphone remains at a safe operating temperature. Effective cooling allows your phone to run at peak performance for longer. This means you can enjoy high-intensity tasks like gaming and video editing without worrying about your device overheating. It prevents throttling, which is when the phone reduces performance to avoid overheating. Throttling can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an important task or an intense gaming session. A cooler phone also means a better user experience. You can use your device comfortably for extended periods without it becoming uncomfortably hot. You won't feel your phone getting uncomfortably hot in your hand. This makes it easier to enjoy all the features and capabilities of your smartphone, no matter how demanding the task. Rumors are swirling about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. The biggest news is the potential inclusion of a vapor chamber cooling system. This would be a major upgrade for the iPhone. It shows Apple is serious about delivering the best possible performance. Vapor chamber cooling is a more advanced technology than traditional cooling methods. It's typically found in high-end gaming phones. The fact that Apple is considering it for the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a big deal. So, how does vapor chamber cooling actually work? Imagine a thin, flat chamber filled with a small amount of liquid. When the phone heats up, the liquid vaporizes. This vapor absorbs the heat and carries it away from the processor. The vapor then condenses back into liquid, releasing the heat. This cycle repeats, keeping the phone cool and preventing overheating. Vapor chamber cooling is much more efficient than traditional heat pipes. This means it can handle higher temperatures and keep the phone running smoothly for longer. Section 4. A 19 Pro chipset unleashing the power. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also rumored to feature the new A19 Pro chipset. This chipset is expected to revolutionize the smartphone industry with its unprecedented speed and efficiency. The A19 Pro is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease, from high-end gaming to intensive multitasking. This next-generation chip is expected to be incredibly powerful. It promises to deliver a significant boost in performance, making everyday tasks faster and more efficient. The A19 Pro chipset is not just about raw power, it also focuses on energy efficiency, ensuring that your device lasts longer on a single charge. It will likely be built on a 3-nanometer process, making it even more efficient than its predecessor. This advanced manufacturing process allows for more transistors to be packed into a smaller space, resulting in better performance and lower power consumption. The 3-nanometer technology is a leap forward in the semiconductor industry. The combination of the A19 Pro chip and vapor chamber cooling is a recipe for incredible performance. The vapor chamber cooling system helps to dissipate heat more effectively, allowing the chipset to maintain high performance without overheating. This means that even during extended use, your device will remain cool and responsive. The cooling system will allow the chip to run at higher speeds for longer periods. This is particularly beneficial for users who engage in resource-intensive activities such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. The improved thermal management ensures that the device can handle these tasks without throttling performance. This means faster app loading, smoother gaming, and improved overall responsiveness. Users will experience a noticeable difference in how quickly apps open and run, as well as in the fluidity of gameplay. The A19 Pro chipset is set to redefine what we expect from smartphone performance, making the iPhone 17 Pro Max a powerhouse in the palm of your hand. Section 5. The cooling divide, Pro versus standard models. It's important to note that the vapor chamber cooling system is rumored to be exclusive to the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models. This advanced cooling technology is designed to manage heat more efficiently, ensuring that the device remains cool even during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. The vapor chamber cooling system is a significant upgrade from the traditional cooling methods used in previous models. The standard iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air will likely stick with traditional cooling methods. These models are expected to use the same cooling techniques that have been employed in earlier versions, which are sufficient for everyday use but may not perform as well under heavy loads. This suggests that Apple is further differentiating its Pro models. By incorporating advanced features like vapor chamber cooling, Apple is clearly positioning the Pro and Pro Max models as the go-to devices for power users and professionals who require top-tier performance. The company is clearly targeting power users who demand the absolute best performance. These users often engage in resource-intensive activities such as high-resolution video recording, augmented reality applications, and complex multitasking, all of which generate significant heat. The inclusion of vapor chamber cooling could be a game-changer for the iPhone. This technology not only enhances performance but also extends the lifespan of the device by preventing overheating, which can degrade internal components over time. It will be interesting to see how this technology impacts the future of smartphone design. As Apple continues to innovate, we can expect to see even more advanced cooling solutions and other cutting-edge features in upcoming models, further solidifying the iPhone's position as a leader in the smartphone market.